Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make potato pasta. Potato pasta is a dish made from potatoes and is trending all over the internet right now. Anyone who loves potatoes, this one's for you. So let's start. Here I've taken 4 medium-sized potatoes, peel and let it boil. Mash the potatoes and add some salt and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Add 3 to 4 heaped teaspoons of corn flour. Knead until it forms a dough. If you feel the mixture is too dry, then add little water. If the dough is sticky, then add some corn flour. You'll have to adjust the consistency by adding water or corn flour. Take a small portion of the dough, approximately around 1 teaspoon. Roll it in your palm and flatten it slightly. Now we will use a bottle to make impression. You can dip the bottle in oil or corn flour before making impression so that it doesn't stick. Make impression in the center. Similarly, make the rest. Now let's cook the pasta. Boil some water in a pan. To the boiling water, add the pasta. You can see that the pasta has settled down in the pan. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it starts floating to the top, it means that the pasta is done and you can remove it. Strain the pasta and add some cold water to stop the cooking process. Now let's make some sauce. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 2 teaspoon green chili sauce, soy sauce 1 teaspoon, vinegar 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well. Here I have taken a tadka pan. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once oil is heated up, add 5 to 6 garlic cloves finely chopped. Let the flavor of garlic infuse in the oil. Once it starts turning golden, we will turn off the flame and add this to the sauce. Now toss the pasta in the sauce and serve hot. If you like my videos, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share it with your friends and family. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description box. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.